Your NC Miata is hiding a dirty little secret. If you have an NC 1, 2, or 3, you're most likely going to experience this problem in the future, if not right now, or some of you guys have already been experiencing this problem, and it's right underneath your front cowl. And it's these little things right here, these little nylon fasteners that attach your cowl bracket to the front of your car and complete the look of your hood to windshield. Now the design is fine, there's nothing wrong with that. Rain comes down, flows all over here, water is gonna get inside your engine bay. But these little nylon fasteners from factory come weather sealed, but over time, they just crumble to pieces. I have a 2011 model year NC2 Miata, so these are a little over 10 years old. The rubber or whatever weather sealing was underneath this little fastener is totally hard and disintegrating at the slightest touch, which means any amount of water, whether it's a rainstorm or car wash, gets underneath the cowl and is just going to soak straight underneath it and into the interior floorboards of your car. Luckily, it's an incredibly easy fix that'll only cost you just a couple bucks. I purchased all these products on Amazon and the links for these are down in the description below. You'll want to just go ahead and order a set of the plugs that go into the cowl because they always break. Mine broke taking them out. And then you'll want to pick up a tube of 100% waterproof silicone. This is for kitchen and bath. If it's good enough for there, it'll be good enough for the car. First things first, you're gonna need to remove your wiper blades to get the cowl cover off. They're held on by 2 caps covering 14mm nuts. Be sure to remove your OEM screw cover caps on each side of the cowl. Underneath is a Phillips head screw. Lift up on either side of the cowl and it'll fold in the middle to make removing it from underneath the hood a little easier. Start off by clearing the area of any of the old weather sealing debris. Then follow that up with an alcohol-based solution. And then be sure to wipe down any residue. You don't want anything interfering with our new sealant. Apply a bead of silicone around the retainer. Don't worry about using too little. It's probably better to go overboard with this. Using an applicator brush or a rubber glove, in my case, just spread it out all around, making sure that there are no air gaps or gaps at all. Once you complete both sides, you want to let this dry for at least 8 hours if your car is parked in the garage. If it's colder out, you're going to want to wait 24. And while you're waiting, if you are a Miata guy and you haven't already picked up a set of door straps, they are available right now on superautomotiveaccessories.com. Link is down in the description. The door strap pulls are better than ever with all new hardware, custom 3D printed materials, and fit perfectly into the interior of your NC Miata. If you want to support the channel further, you can pick up one of these sweet shirts, Circuit Spirit Racing Team. Don't forget to grab a hat while you're there. Super comfy shirts, really well-fitting hats. So go pick up your Super Automotive Accessories merch. And now let's get back to the video. All right, I've let the silicone cure for 8 hours now, so let's see how we did. Beads right off. Perfect. It's exactly what we want. And just for reference, here's the 2 caps that go on either side. This one is my broken one. I've already repaired these and tried to glue them, but these little tabs on the side are what break off. So these are just gonna be, consumables at this point. Like I said, they're cheap. And once your cowl cover is back on, it'll pop in right here on top of where your Phillips head screw goes. And easy as that, you will be leak-free on your NC Miata. Now there are other areas where your car could potentially leak water into the cabin. This is one of the most common that I see regularly, and it's really good to just do this now. It doesn't take very long to do it all. So if you have the time, get out in your garage, do some work on your car, seal these up, and be worry-free. And as always, thank you guys so much for watching. Hopefully this video was helpful for you. If you are new to this channel, make sure you go down below and hit the subscribe button so you don't miss out on the turbo that we are putting in this car right now. I'm super excited to get going further on getting this engine out and refreshed and throwing on the turbo kit. So give the video a thumbs up, leave your comments below, and I will see you guys in the next one.